Hello everyone, welcome to Build in Public with Natively. Today is the 8th day of my 30 days challenge where every day I'm building an app and give it away to someone who wants to build it further. Simple prompts, give it away to someone who wants to build it further. So let me share my screen and let's build today's app. Perfect. So here we come to Natively and we have built lots of apps during the last 7 days. Last week, so this is the second week, and I think we have built nutrition app, dating app, finding kind of matching for kind of founder, partner, founder thing, and then also gaming app, financial app. So today I want to build a gym app, workout app where you can track your workout sessions and also see how you're improving in terms of your workout. Because I do use one app for that, so I can, if I will build this, then I can replace it with that. So let me just put this visual, which I got it from Pinterest. If you can see it here. So I want to prompt already having the design in mind. So please build me a gym or workout app. So let's see what it does like natively. And for those of you who are new, so I'm building one app per day for 30 days and then give it away to someone who wants to build it further. And of course, if you want to build your app, just go in the description. There's a community link where you can get 5 extra prompts if you go use that link for creating your natively account. So all the base with that. And yeah, so I think the idea is super simple. So natively is just starting to build it. You can see what's happening with the code here. You can also edit the code if you want. But the idea is really natively is built for non-technical people, for people who don't know how to code. They can build mobile apps. And of course, being able to launch it to iOS or Android, which you can see here. We have the steps here. So I think quite fun to build apps, and we have lots of integrations here. Of course, you can subscribe to different plans. We have different plans here. You can see. I have also built lots of other apps. If you can see it here, these are from the last days, which I gave it away to someone. Yeah, yes, these are kind of cool ones. This is nice. Hey, festival Viber, cool. But yeah, so my projects are here. Yep. So let's go with this. And of course, here we have the Supabase, which is the backend, the database for your app, and we'll already connected. Wow, it was super fast this time. It looks super nice, actually. Wow, this is cool. It's just awesome. Yeah, this is really fun. Yeah, and also, if you'll download Expo Go on your phone, you can see already the app on your phone. So that's super nice feature that it gives you a feeling of how your mobile app works, and you can already start using that for your own personal use. And of course, if you want to share it with others, you have two options. You have lots of options actually, but the two main ones is that you share the Expo QR code with others; they will have the access, or you will just launch it, as a browser like on the web, or you can also launch it to iOS and Android, where you can start charging people money. So I was paying 30 euros per year for subscription of my workout app. So I think you can charge people, from 20 to 30 or 40 euros, depending on your offering, what you offer. But that should be quite a nice offer. So perfect. We just built this app in one prompt. The the front end, the design, everything else. This is cool actually. I can see this. This is nice. Walking, cycling. And of course, here we can see the profile, the setting. This is amazing actually. This is cool. So let me do the Supabase with this. So Supabase is our backend. Let me connect with Supabase. Let me give the authorization to natively. And of course, I will connect a new project. A new project, I cannot do it because I don't have lots of capacity in my Supabase. So I will just do it with this dog walking app. I will connect it here. I'll just use one database for everything because when I give the app to you, I'll delete the Supabase part. So you will have your own Supabase. If you come here, you see that there are 28 tables. So there will be new tables once it's building. So let me say that let's connect a base and build the backend. Yep, let's get started. Well, this looks amazing. I want to take a screenshot of this. I want to take a screenshot of this as well. Yeah, because I want to make some posts on LinkedIn, X, and Reddit. Because yeah, like the base part, the most important part about building an app is that really marketing. How do you market your app? I think that you have to really start marketing your app way earlier than you think. So you should, if you're thinking about building something and if you want to become an entrepreneur, build your own brand, build your own digital presence, or just like have your fan base, have your community base where people follow you, people, will like you, and people will just like, will buy things once you're building. I think now so many things we buy are because of the people that we like. Are behind those things, those products. So imagine, for example, Apple. Lots of people, like Steve Jobs, or for example, Facebook. Mark Zuckerberg. Or Elon Musk. So I think there's so many leaders and people now, and I think now building a startup is more of a media company. You just need to have social presence, digital presence, and I think that's where you can really actually do learn a lot also from the customer, what they really want, and then you can build the base product because the customers need. So that's yeah, that's it. Amazing. So it's being built. Yeah, you see. So we have 28, and now we have 36. So it added 8 new tables. That's a lot of tables. So you see the tables from all projects. Yeah, workout session, workout session, workout. Here is exercises. Yep, 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 yep. It's actually a cool one. Session exercises. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, this looks cool. Actually, I like this. Yeah, so this is our second prom, and we are done with the front end. We are getting done with the back end. I think this is super. This is called optimization. You are super optimized, way efficient with the prompting. And of course, here, like you have to click all around. You have to check if everything works. And that's the part, where things are getting tricky because some of vibe coders, they don't try to click. They don't want to see, check it out if it works. Also, don't be afraid, if something doesn't work, because this is the idea of even as a software developer, when you're building something, you're debugging it, you're testing it. Lots of apps or software that we have used, they have been tested several times, thousands of times. If it works properly, does it do what it wants, what you want? So I think this is all about testing and seeing what works and what not. So you shouldn't be afraid really of trying out and then seeing how your app works. Today is Wednesday, the eighth day of this challenge. And let me know how you're doing, in the comment section. Are you building something? How's your learning with AI? Like, how is your vibe coding journey? And also, if you're a software developer, how do you use AI in your daily job or daily projects? Just, yeah, share with me how you're doing. I would love to know more who's the audience, who's listening to me, who's watching us. I see that our views are going up. So it's amazing to see more people are joining our journey. And yeah, just go build your app with Natively, and then just yeah, either use it for yourself, solve a problem that you care, or of course make money, buy your freedom, have your own business, and then run it, and yeah, just make success. Perfect. So here we are with 2 prompts. We have our app ready. You can see here, homepage. Okay, this get it started doesn't work. It doesn't move to other one, so I have to fix this. Homepage, training sessions. What do you have here? The reports, what you're doing, running, reporting, cycling. But of course, here I would change, that there should be a button where I edit, I'm gonna choose from the list. It's either, running, walking, cycling, or workout, gym, wrestling, whatever. Then of course we have the profile here. So yeah, with just 2 prompts, we're this far. So this was the idea that I showed you, a gym or workout app that you can build with 2 prompts. And of course, you need more prompts and more time to build, further the app. And you could be kind of clicking. And as I told you, that you have to click. For example, this get it started doesn't work. So we have to ask AI to build it not for us. So I'm gonna do some stuff here, like just like put a bit more time. Or let me ask it here now. Get started, please fix that. Yeah, let's fix this. Yeah, but of course, yeah. As I said, you have to really, check it out. Try to go all around and then see what works, what not, and then you kind of prompt and then you ask AI to build it for you. Yeah, because building an app takes hours and days. If you really want to build an app that you can launch to iOS, of course you can just build a simple app, use it yourself. But then, yeah, you have to really understand what's your decision. Is it that you want to use it for yourself, or do you want to, make money with that and then give it to others for free or for money? It doesn't matter. Let's see if it works. Yes, nice, it works. Oh, we have to actually log in. This is nice. Yeah. And let me do it. So I'm just signing up. Nice. Yes, it works. Yes. Nice. Okay. This is cool. Oh yeah, when you click get it started, it moves to the exercises. Nice. Okay, okay. I see that. But yeah, this is it. So we just built a simple app in with 2, 3 prompts. And if you want to take over this project and if you like it, please, write in the comments, and then I would love to give it to you, and you will build this further. And of course, you will launch, and then we'll all use it. So all the best, and see you tomorrow. Thank you for joining. Bye bye.